you're anything like I was, you've tried making money online, you paid the money for the courses, you've looked at the YouTube videos, you even tried your hand on a couple things and you failed miserably. After getting all excited, you've done a side hustle or two and nothing really worked, or else you wouldn't be watching this video right now. I honestly felt like I was wasting time. I got a few results and a few things until I finally stumbled upon something that allowed me to generate $13,000 in 5 days. And I was able to do this with a client of mine. By the end of this video, you are going to know the 4 things that anybody can do so that they can get these types of results, and how this could be used in any type of niche or market. Make sure that you watch all the way to the end, because I'm going to give a bonus tip that allows you to put all of this together and 5x your results in the same amount of time. This bonus secret is how the gurus make $100,000 and $1 million months. Nobody's talking about this. Let me show you exactly how I was able to get these types of results. The first thing that I'm going to touch on is driving traffic to what I call a conversion multiplier. What is a conversion multiplier? You're not going to find this on Google anywhere. This is what I call a method that allows you to exponentially make sales in a short amount of time by selling one to many. You do a presentation, you do one thing, one platform, but it's exposed to many. I don't want to let the cat out the bag because that's going to be the next step. I'll expound upon this. But driving traffic to your multiplier, your conversion multiplier, think of it like this. Every store that you go to needs traffic. People get in their cars, their vehicles. Some people ride a bike in order to get to the gas station. Every store has its own need, but they need traffic on the road in order to get to the store. It is the same case when it comes to your online business, whether you have a product or a service. When I used to play basketball, my coach would say, you put the ball in the hoop, it equals 2 points, whether it's a shot or a dunk or a layup. It doesn't matter. All you need to do is put the ball in the hole. It's that simple. It took the confusion from out of everything. And I say the same thing here. Drive traffic to your offers. Who cares how? Who cares what platform? Who cares whether it's paid or organic? Just drive the freaking traffic. In our case, for this example, within these 4 steps, we were able to use TikTok. My client was able to use trending topics. I was able to do some research and create some scripts. We utilized TikTok and Facebook Reels and Facebook Stories. A little guru tip here in case you didn't know, Facebook Reels is what helps expose you to the cold audience to let people who don't know about you know who you are, while Stories only goes out to the individuals that you know on Facebook. That is where your strong call to actions should be. That is $1,000 worth of consultation that I just gave you right there. That's gold. Before I move on to the next tip, if you're trying to make your first $10,000 online, I show you how to do that with affiliate marketing. You don't have to create your own course or anything like that. You use other people's products in order to make the money that you desire and live the life that you deserve. I'm talking about traffic in this step. If you want me to go more in depth on traffic and how to utilize this stuff, I highly recommend that you check out my affiliate marketing course called One Commission Away. It's only $47 right now, extremely discounted price for a short time. I will bump it up to $297 once I add some more content to it and also get more testimonials. Now on to the next step. The link is down below, by the way, in the description. The next step is create your conversion multiplier. This is where I go deeper into what a conversion multiplier is. In my case, this is a 5-day challenge. I teach people how to use that. I also teach VSLs, automated webinars. You can even do things such as live masterminds and live events. People make hundreds of thousands of dollars off of 3-day live events. It's really insane. This is not your typical one-off sale type of thing. Your conversion multiplier is exactly what it sounds like. It is to help convert people and multiply your results in a short period of time. I absolutely love these things. Highly recommend that you do this only with high ticket offers. You do this correctly, you will see results. So again, the second step is to create your conversion multiplier. Third step, run your conversion multiplier event and make the sale. A lot of times we do a lot of this stuff. We're trying to figure out what works. We're trying to do the traffic. We're trying to figure out the best page, and we forget the whole process. And that is, at the end of the day, to make the sale and make the money. This is a very simple business. All you need to do is drive people over to your conversion multiplier and you pitch your offer. I don't care how awkward it is, how long it takes you while you're doing it, whether you've done it for your first time or not, whether you use an AI bot to read the material or not for you. Make the sell. Do a call to action. Let people know that you have a solution to their problem and pitch them an offer, no matter how uncomfortable it is, and see how many people purchase it. You will be surprised at your own results and you will thank me later for it. And then step number 4, follow up with email. Follow up, follow up. This is where I suck in my business, but this is also where I shine because I am a email fanatic. You make the course, you make the conversion multiplier, you make the sale, but then for whatever reason, a lot of the individuals forget to follow up via email. There's a lot of money in email. Most of the people who purchase your product are not even on a webinar or the conversion multiplier. They are, for whatever reason, chilling. They may see a video or two, and then when you hit them up via email, you're doing a recap. Those are the individuals who don't have the time to look at it. They typically are the ones who make the purchase. You will be absolutely shocked. Trust me on this. I'm actually like that myself as a buyer. If you want to learn the tactics of making 6-figure emails during your email follow-up after a conversion multiplier, I recommend that you download my free email course called 6-Figure Emailer. This is a tried and proven strategy. These are the very same things that I use with my clients to develop those 8K weeks, 13K weeks, 20K weeks. This isn't fake. I have the numbers and the testimonials to prove it. And ladies and gentlemen, this goes into my bonus because the 6-figure email course not only shows you how to follow up with email and close the sale, it really shows you what I coined theme event marketing. Theme event marketing allows you to take an audience and create some type of an event, because people love to be in contests. People love events. People love a reason to do something together. So you take something like an affiliate marketing course. I'm promoting Jonathan Montoya's affiliate marketing course right now. And I'm also creating a 5-day event. At the end of that 5-day event around affiliate marketing, I teach people how to create and generate their first commissions. If you're interested in this, go ahead and click the link below to see how I do this. I will pitch Jonathan Montoya's product at the very end because I know that I've given the value within the 5-day challenge, which is my conversion multiplier. I've helped people and then they realize that they need something to go to the next level if they want that. So I provide them the solution and they're happy to purchase from me. And then during the course of those 3 to 4 to 7 to 12 days, however long that you want this launch period to go, I do contests, I do interviews, I do testimonials. I make it a themed event, and this will multiply your efforts 3 to 5 times simply by doing this. You make sure you have an open cart and you make sure you have a day when you close the cart, because buyers also have FOMO, fear of missing out. When somebody takes a seat, let's say you only have 10 spots open, there's scarcity. One spot's gone because somebody took it on the first day. Now you only have 9 spots, and you let the people know during this themed event that you only have 9 left. And then all of a sudden on the last day, there's 8 spots left and people purchase it all at the same time because time is running out. It's a deadline. Once again, how do I know this? I've done this many times. That is how people run these 100K months, 500K months, $1 million months. I just happen to put a label on it and I'm showing you what's going on behind the scenes. I hope that you liked this video. Hopefully things made sense to you. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 10K. Please drop me some comments down below under this video. Don't forget to look under the description and check out all the free resources that I have, including my 5-day challenge and my free coaching. Go ahead, sign up, and we'll see you guys in the next video.